Hi everyone, I'm Daniel Martinez, and in this episode we're going to be baking some cookies. I figured we've got plenty of time on our hands right now, so let's make these before we're heading out on our flight. Let's give it a try. I wanted to make some special cookies, so we're not just making chocolate chip cookies, we're going to be making M&M Pokey cookies, but not just any M&Ms, we're going to be making M&Ms with some Raiders M&Ms that actually I got a bag of for my birthday, so we're gonna try these out. Let's make some special M&Ms just for the Oakland Raiders. As you can hear, Ripley heard that we're using food in the kitchen. So all of these ingredients really tie back to the season, which is great because these 2 sticks of butter that we're gonna start out with are perfect for Amari Cooper's Butterfingers. Also, make sure that the butter is softened just like our secondary. Now to the butter that we've got in the bowl, we're gonna mix in 3/4 of brown sugar and 3/4 of white granulated sugar. And that's perfect because Marshawn Lynch put in 3/4 of the effort that he should have. Lastly, we're gonna put in a teaspoon of vanilla extract. We're using imitation vanilla extract, which is fine because the Raiders were an imitation of themselves from the previous year. All right, mix it up until it's all creamy. Make sure it's about as mixed as the play calling because Reggie McKenzie let Bill Musgrave go. Next, we're gonna add 2 eggs for the 2 goose eggs that Obi Melanwafu and Gary and Conley put up in our draft. Next, we're gonna add in 2 1/4 cups of all-purpose flour, a teaspoon of baking soda, and a 1/2 teaspoon of salt. That joke should write itself. Finally, we're gonna add in the Raiders M&Ms, mistakes and miscues. Oh, these actually do smell pretty good. Now that you got all that set, put it onto some parchment paper and get that sucker into the oven for about 8 to 10 minutes. Make sure you put enough space between the cookies when you put them onto the sheet, just like the Raiders are putting enough space between them and Oakland. Make sure that while your cookies are in the oven, you're cleaning up your mess, just like John Gruden's having to come in and clean up our mess. You know what? I completely missed an opportunity. That's better. All right, we're gonna check on our cookies. It's been about 8 minutes. We're gonna make sure to use a yellow oven mitt to match all the flags that were thrown against the Raiders. I'm pretty sure the fix is in for the refs. Thank you, guys. Well, there you have it. Our cookies are done roasting. Our cookies are done baking. And that's what we're gonna do for our Raiders cookies. Thank you guys for watching. And as always, stay difficult.
Raider Nation!
Thanks again for watching, you guys. This was a lot of fun to do, and I got cookies out of it. You guys know I'm a diehard Raider fan. I love the team. This was an off season for us. Thank you guys. Thank you to Jack Del Rio for 3 amazing years. It ended poorly. We've got a great future for it, and it's because you helped us return to greatness. Thank you guys for watching, and as always, just win, baby.
Here we come, baby. Just win, baby. Feel the storm of the cold autumn wind, baby. It's the Oakland Raiders. Get your mouthpiece. You in the black hole with the black beast.